What up, YouTube? Yeah, man, so, y'all know me, man. I always try to do something to the shit, so, check me out. Went ahead and put that thing in there. Everything worked. Both sides. Look at that old wheel. I don't know what this nigga was doing, man. This nigga was chewing on this motherfucker or something. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, YouTube. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? It's a good... Well, no, it ain't. But, anyway. It's out. Ain't no use for it, really. It's just gonna be in here just in case. You know what I'm saying? I have to take this joint here out for something. See them LEDs in there. Lighting up. It's kind of dark. It's got the sun gone, so. Oh, yeah. That big bright motherfucker there. But yeah, sun gone. Y'all see them, John. The LED. Here with my old airbag. Y'all already know what's fun. Well, I don't know. I don't think I can use this one with this steering wheel, so. Man, y'all know anybody want an airbag, man? Anybody want an airbag? I got one. For a bubble. 94. But y'all gotta look at y'all steering wheel that y'all got, man. If y'all airbags don't look like that in the back, don't even waste your time. Cause see this steering wheel was different. Said the Caprice. Well, I don't know if it's got anything to do with the Caprice or the Impalas, but I think the steering wheel that's in there came out of Impala. But this had this had the steering wheel that came out my car. These the two horn things up here. You know what I'm saying? This go down off in here like this. And twist. You know what I'm saying? I guess that's for your ground. Your airbag clip, your airbag screw to these two right here. You know what I'm saying? And then the airbag harness is in the steering column. It comes from the steering column. And it hooked to this right here. But yeah, man. If y'all need one, if y'all need an airbag, man, shit, let me know. I got it, man. Hit me in the inbox or comment or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Shit. If I can, if you needed mine and, you know what I'm saying, you want it dyed or whatever, shit, I even do that for you, man. I ain't tripping, you know what I'm saying? But that steering wheel, I probably keep that, man, just in case, you know what I'm saying? Just in case I had to take that one off or anything, but man, look at that thing sitting up in there. It look like it came in there, don't it? Look like it go with this car, don't it? Yeah. And I'm finna take my matter of fact, I can do that right now. I bring them lights in here. Yeah. Let's do that right now, YouTube. Let's put these in my ashtray light. See if it gonna work. Hold up for a second. Y'all see that? Yeah. I'm gonna see this other junk gonna work though. The other junk a little smaller than this junk here. I don't know if y'all can see it. That little junk there's a little small. Let's see if this junk gonna work. See what kind of light it give off. gonna get that jump back in there right now. Hey, that motherfucker. I ain't giving out too much light. I don't know if you can see that. Ain't getting off too much light though. I think I'm gonna go with the other one. Alright, YouTube. Just showing y'all what was up, man. It's your boy Beat Up 25, and it is what it is.